If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Instagram, follow these steps to ensure it is done correctly. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile. Step 3. Access settings. In your profile, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings at the bottom of the menu. Step 4. Navigate to Payments. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Payments or Account and then Payments to view your transaction history and pending transactions. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Locate the pending transaction you wish to cancel. Tap on it for more details and look for an option to cancel. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. After completing these steps, your pending transaction should be cancelled successfully. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Instagram support for further assistance.